This is how to get started in any online business that you're gonna endeavor to be in. First one being, try to take the right training. I know you may not know what is the right training, but over time, through trial and error, you'll figure out the right training. Sometimes you can come to people, for instance, like me. I'm gonna tell you exactly what it is. You can look at another video that I got to tell you how to be successful in an online business. But this is how you get started. The next one's kind of where you need to pick a niche, whatever that niche is, whether it's weight loss or affiliate marketing or online business of any kind, ClickBank. It's the way you're gonna make your money and who you're making the money about or with. Once you have that niche, right, you wanna but you wanna get a product. And hopefully you can believe in that product, because it makes it a lot easier to deal with when you believe in what you're doing, right? Now, next one. Okay, so this fourth one's a little out there, but you're gonna have to do it, and it's building a website, and you need to build a splash page, then you need to build a landing page, and then hopefully you can build like a bridge page, because all of those work in conjunction with themselves, and they filter around depending upon where that particular person happened to see the link that you have out there, right? That sounds probably pretty geeky, doesn't it? Next one is you have to set up an autoresponder, and that is something that you use once you capture a lead's email address, and you'll send that out to them, right? You'll have prearranged letters that you create, and if you join a particular training or program, that'll have that in it, right? And it'll teach you kind of how to do it. You've kind of reached the point where, you got it all together and you need to create a funnel. And that funnel will drill down into it, and it kind of sets everything in motion, if you will. And then, finally, you just promote the product. That's what you do. You use social media, you use whatever you can use to think about to get out to people, okay? Or you could be like I was and just say, hey, screw that. I do not want to build all that crap. I don't have a clue how to build it, nor do I have the time to build it, nor do I want to build it. So, that being said, you can actually look at some of the things that I'm doing. I have one link that is tied to 8 different income streams. And the autoresponders there, the splash pages are there, the email swipes, everything is there. The funnel's built, the web page is built, it's all done for you. And it's set up on autopilot, if you will. Or you can, work on the other stuff up above and build all that stuff. But if you like to see what I'm doing, I tell you what, how about you hit the like, hit a follow, and then maybe shoot me a comment. Like, I'm from Missouri, let's go with show me. Later, guys.